In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pandadoc for nonprofit organizations. Whether you're managing documentation for fundraising, agreements, or any other nonprofit activities, Pandadoc can offer powerful solutions to streamline your tasks. Let's dive into the process and see how nonprofits can significantly benefit from this platform. First, what we'll need to do is search for Pandadoc for nonprofit organizations using Google. This will lead you to their dedicated webpage, which is tailored specifically for nonprofits. On this page, you'll find resources and information geared toward helping nonprofit organizations leverage Pandadoc's full potential. One of the key aspects here is understanding how this version might suit your unique needs, thanks to specialized pricing and features that cater specifically to nonprofits. Next, I recommend requesting a demo so you can get a first-hand experience of the platform. This step is critical, as it gives you an opportunity to see how the software works and ask any pertinent questions with the guidance of a Pandadoc representative. While filling out the demo request form, you may need to provide proof of your nonprofit status to ensure you qualify for any available offers or discounts tailored for nonprofits. Remember, taking advantage of such demos allows you to explore the system in depth before making a commitment. However, for this particular demonstration, we'll be using a test account because the functionalities for general usage and nonprofit use are essentially the same, with the primary difference being pricing. This means that even if you're on a test account, you'll have access to all the robust features available to nonprofits, ensuring a seamless experience. Now, let's dig into the core capabilities of Pandadoc. The platform allows you to upload existing documents or create new ones from scratch. This feature is particularly beneficial for nonprofits because it simplifies the process of managing and distributing important documents like grants and agreements. Moreover, you can add recipients to your documents easily, ensuring that the right people have access to what they need. Additionally, Pandadoc makes document interaction straightforward by allowing you to add signature fields and text fields wherever necessary. Think of this as setting up your document to do the hard work for you. By doing this, you ensure that all required information is captured in a structured and legally compliant way. This feature is ideal for ensuring the smooth processing of important paperwork, ranging from petitions to donor agreements. To sum up, leveraging Pandadoc for nonprofit organizations can revolutionize how you manage documents, making it both efficient and effective in advancing your nonprofit's mission. I hope this walkthrough has provided you with valuable insights. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Pandadoc just as beneficial as countless other